Um, Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is going to be a little bit of a different video as I am going to try to explain something that I think may be useful to some people. So I couldn't really find any sort of tutorial on this, not really anything, and it all leads to some gibberish kind of stuff. So basically what I'm going to try explain here is how you can make it so you have all these um, okay, so basically here this tool is basically like the gun I made, very simple. Don't mind that. And basically what I will try to explain is how you can move each part individually in uh, animating. So we have the animator here, and when I click on it I'm able to animate everything separately from the magazine and the bolt and everything. So basically I can just select everything here, the whole body and the whole gun, everything, all the parts of it. And so that's what I'm going to try to explain, how you can do such thing. So basically um, let's just make something really simple really quickly here. So we just make something like this. So this is basically our magazine then, or something. And so basically what we want to go and do is, okay, so we make a new tool and put all of this in there. Then we want our handle, so that's going to be this. We name it to handle, and then we put a motor6d in it, where we put part 0. Part 0 is going to be handle, and part 1 is going to be this part. And now you're gonna get this weird stuff, so you just have to put it back. And then we copy this and put it for this one too, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't think you need. Uh, I think you. Wait. Let's just go and test something out real quick. Okay, now I don't know which one is which. Okay, let's just name this one mag real quick. Okay, and now we're just going to put a weld in here instead, and put part 0 there and this there. Okay, that works too. So we just put this like this, and basically what we want to do now is we get a new rig, and let's just put it R6 block after. And so what we are going to do now is put our tool in the rig and put a motor6d in the torso, which is going to have part 0 is going to be the right arm, or which arm you want. Yeah, and the part 1 is going to be our handle. And now I don't know for sure if this is going to fix itself. I don't think so. So we just realign this really quickly, like this. And if I'm right, it should have everything now, all body. And as you can see here, in the right arm we have our handle and our magazine. our magazine, which we can turn. So all the other parts that we don't want to animate, we can just use a... Oh, did that not go through or something? Weld, and we just put it on to here, whatever. Okay, Jesus. Okay, weld to our... Oh no. Okay, this should be good. So now we can animate our magazine and our handle, and not this part which we welded. And now just this, the gun thing, is basically just like this. You can just and then it animates everything just like that. So basically this is what I wanted to show. Wait, I forgot one thing almost. Is the starter player, I think it's here. No. Gun client. Oh, wait here. So basically when you load your weapon, like this here, character child added, and then you check if it's a tool, and then if it is, it starts loading weapon. So basically what we did here is player.character, and then it does all this. And so basically you want a where does this get made? So basically you want a I think it's in here. Oh yeah, right in here. We make a new motor6d that when the player is added, the character is added, you make it wait, I'll just show you this. So basically what we have here is my player, and then we go to our torso, which we have a motor6d. Just basically the same thing you did in your rig, but you want to make this when the player loads. And this motor6d should be connected to your right arm, or whatever right arm I did, because that's where you hold your gun. And then when I grab this, it connects. Okay, it connects it to the handle of the tool you are holding, so it can do the animations, because the motor6d makes everything work. I don't know exactly what it is, but it makes it work. And that's basically everything, I think. So basically, yeah, what you want to do is just player character added, and then you want just motor, and then everything like this. And then in whatever thing you use to load your tool or something, you just put this, make sure it connects the handle. And basically that's it.